Hello and welcome to another uAttend by Chronologic YouTube tutorial. My name is James and I am part of the support team for the uAttend system. Today we will be covering adding departments. So you'll need to add departments in order to record where your employees work and what their time is worked against. So you can see I'm on the departments tab here and I've already got a list of departments here: kitchen, reception, work. So these are the three possible departments my employees are able to record their time against. You can add as many as you like, and you can do this by clicking Add Department. The code can be used as a job code if you have them. So some businesses, such as maybe engineering firms, may have job codes that they need to record their time against. So you could put for example, a job code, so J1234. If you don't have a job code, this is actually alphanumeric, so you could call it the same name as the department. So I've got kitchen, reception, work, and I'm going to create a department called management. And you can see here, I've duplicated this because I don't have a job code. Next, you can see we've got the day changes at underneath. The day changes at should always be set to midnight, as that is when a new day is given. Unless there is a specific reason why you wouldn't have it as midnight, which I can't think of many, you are able to change it if you desire. Maximum shift is extremely important. This specifies the maximum number of hours your employees are able to work in a single shift. The lowest we can do is 14 hours. So what this means is if my employee clocks in at whatever time, if they have not clocked out 14 hours later, they will not have their out times recorded, as they will be treated as missing. So if your staff are likely to work longer than 14 hours, please increase this as required. I'm going to leave it as 14. New shift starts. We never really need to adjust this. This is to do with split shifts in the shift settings. This will not impact anything to do with the department. So you can leave this as 3. It's not a problem. Lastly, night shift. This is another really important feature, so please make sure that you set this to no or yes. If your staff work through the night into the following day, so for instance, if they came in at 9 p.m. and they left at 5 a.m. the next day, you will need to make sure that you have the night shift set to yes. If your staff never work through the night, you can leave this as no. If you have staff that do work through the night into the following day and you have not set the night shift to yes, what will happen is if we take the previous example, they came in at 9 p.m. When it reaches 12 a.m. at midnight, when it becomes a new day, uAttend will realize that this person has not clocked out and therefore they will be treated as missing. So I'm going to leave this as it is, the defaults, and I'm just going to click either save and add new so that you can go on to save this department you've created and begin to add a new one. Save and continue. This will save this department and take you into the management department settings so that you can adjust those. Or save and close, which will save this department and take you back to the list on screen. I'm going to push save and close. And there we go. You can see now that management has been added to my list, and you can go through and add some more if you desire. There's absolutely no limit to the number of departments you can have in uAttend. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this video useful. Remember to like this video by clicking the thumbs up and subscribe for more content. You can find out more information on how to get in touch with us in the video description down below.